Hi, my name is Gabriela from Tulip Art Designs. You are absolutely welcome or welcome back to my creative channel here. Today is day 17 of our ink and watercolor advent calendar, and I am so excited to just start. So let me just show you what we have today. Consider subscribing for my channel so you will not miss any of the new videos. Let's start. So let's just see what we have today. We have this beautiful glass globe with the nice evergreen trees and the snowy side, and I am so happy with the result. I also enjoyed the process a lot. I did mess it up. So let's just start and I will show you how I made this. So let me just walk you through my sketchbook before we start with our globe. Every day is nice, every day is different. I show you different techniques to achieve these results, and in this sketchy style. I hope that you are trying some of these. Everything about the supplies I already explained in the first video out of 3 preparation videos, and they will be linked below, so you can check them out if you are new to this festive challenge. So let's just start here. I have some clips that I will use to keep my sketchbook flat and nice to work. Okay, so let me just do a quick pencil sketch. If you are not into the pencil sketch, you can get the outlines of this illustration from my Patreon. Okay, let's think. I can use this as a circle for my glow. These candles smell amazing. Okay, this is our globe, and then we have somewhere here our base. Okay, and it has a thickness and it comes from the back, and then down here like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, so I want to add some Christmas trees inside, or they will not be really Christmas, but these evergreen trees, and I will have one long here, one shorter here, and one even shorter on this side. Then I just have all this snow like this, and I am sketching these lines. They are like diagonals. I start from the top and then I go the whole way down. Okay, so let's just use our ink now to sketch our illustration. I will go first with the glow, and I'm checking if you can see everything. this, and then I have this base here. Like this. Okay, let me just sketch these trees. I really go into this very sketchy style, but if you like to make it more detailed and more, you know, realistic look, that's also fine. So I am first sketching the trees like this, and every next line when I go down will be longer than the ones on top of it. Okay, like this, and then I will add the snow like this. Okay, I want to add actually a few lines. They are curved here and they show the shape of our base. I try to make them different lengths and also use different distances between them. Okay, I will erase the pencil lines now. This is important for me because I really don't want to look through the watercolor and see some sketch pencil lines, but I really want to see only my ink lines. Now, if you need help to start up this, I prepared a downloadable PDF file. You can definitely get it, print it, transfer it on a watercolor paper, and, you know, start tracing and adding watercolors. So if you need this, you can check it out on my Patreon. Now I will start with my base. Usually I start with the light parts when working with watercolor, but this time I just wanted to make my base. I will get some burned umber and I will start tapping on the edges. Okay, a bit darker, a bit more concentrated paint again on the edges, so it looks like it has this round shape. Okay, then for the globe itself, I will have here, I will add water and I will use Payne's Gray to create this feeling that this is glass. So I took Payne's Gray and I will tap it, or I'm not really tapping it, but I go around the edge like this. I will dip my brush in the water and swipe it on the sides for some extra water and go back in like this. Okay, I want to add some Payne's Gray here on the snow. I will make sure I am not touching the burnt umber. Then I want this to be dry before I can. Okay, then I will grab some green. I have Hooker's green here and it will do the job for me. So I will make this vertical line and then I will do these thin brush strokes just to the sides like this. And I am just following my sketchy lines, okay? The ones on the top are shorter and the ones on the bottom are longer. Just like this. All right. I want to take a little bit of burnt umber and just add it here, so it will be slightly darker than the front part of this. Okay, I want a little bit of burnt umber for my splatters. Let's see if I will do a mess as I usually do. And let's use this paint to write day 17. Okay, we are not done. I want to add white details. For this I want this whole illustration to be completely dry. Okay, now for the white details I have two supplies today, actually three. I have bleed proof white and I have the Jelly Roll pen. I will start with the Jelly Roll pen and just add a few detail lines to my trees. And also here on the base. Just like this. Okay. And then, wait here, with my bleed proof white, I will add the snow inside. Wait a second. I just need to cover the rest of my page. What I will do, so I will get the same circle. I will make a hole here in my, this doesn't work anymore. I will make a hole here in my paper towel. Okay, I will use the scissors to cut this. Wait, let me make sure that you see what I am doing. So let's just cut out this circle, because I really want to make snow only inside my globe. Okay, so I am putting this. Okay, I probably had to make it more in the center of my paper towel, but it's still fine. So I use a toothbrush to make the snow. I will add just a little bit of water to make sure that it's not hard, because I already used this toothbrush for the same thing. I will add paint just on the edge of the brush. If you are worried that you will make a mess, you can try this on a separate piece of paper. Then I will start splashing this paint like this. Okay, now there is no almost only inside. Let's see, I didn't really think this through, but let me try to take this paint. So basically I cut out bigger shape and now I am making a mess. It happens, but we can fix everything. Okay, let's see. Now I will take a little bit of burn umber again, and I will see what will happen if I just paint on top of it, and looks like it's working. So we fixed it, and I think that's for today. So that was it for today. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed it a lot. Thank you very much for joining my video, and don't forget to check out my Patreon if you need the outlines, and just consider subscribing for my channel if you didn't do so, and you will definitely not miss any of the coming videos. I will see you tomorrow for day 18 of our ink and watercolor advent calendar, and enjoy your day. Bye.